Good afternoon, friends. In this tutorial, we'll learn box model in CSS styling. Box model is very important, the basic that you should understand. Let's delete this. Let us go to the W3 school website and see the box model. I explained in the earlier tutorial. The content goes inside, then padding, then border, then margin. This I explained clearly. Now let's see a programming. Background color given gray, light gray with okay. Let us write a program. CSS box model. Learning CSS box model div. Inside div a p tag lorem 50. In the let us link the style sheet css oblique style.css div tag inside the tag background color define light gray border 1 pixel solid blue width 300 pixel margin 20 pixel padding 20 pixel. Now let's see. See, border is given, width 300 pixel, margin given, padding given. Now let me make it clear again. In the box model, margin is at the outside the border. Let's give margin. Let us give margin 100 pixel. You will see the difference. You see, the box is pushed down from left side 100 pixel margin, from top side 100 right bottom 100 pixel margin is taken. Then comes the border 1 pixel. Then the padding is pushed out from the content, margin is pushed inside and padding is pushed outside. This left right top bottom left right 20 pixel margin we have used. Let us use 60 pixel margin, then you will understand the difference. 60 pixel padding is created from all sides. So this is the box model. You should understand margin is above the border, then padding, then the content. What else in the box model? Width and height. Let's define width. Width we have given 300 pixel. Let's give max width 400 pixel. So which one will be taken? This 300 pixel will be taken. But if we use the max width 200 pixel, in that case 200 pixel width will be taken. See, width is reduced 200 pixel. Height height 500 pixel, but if you use max height 400 pixel, then 400 pixel height will be taken. But if the max height is bigger than this height, this 500 max height, if it is 600, so height will be taken 500. Which one is the smaller? That will be taken. Max height 400 pixel. 400 pixel max height. This height, let's comment it out. 5 control max height. Max height 600. Max height for 200. See, height is given 500 pixel, but max height can be taken 200 pixels. So let us use it 300 pixel to contain the content inside. So 300 pixel height is taken. So this is the box model. I hope you understand. Now another one I like to explain. Say for example, width is taken given 300 pixel, then margin 100 pixel, margin goes, so the content area is actually starts from the margin above 100 pixel, then border 1 pixel 101 plus padding 60 pixel 101 plus 60 plus margin 100 160 plus border 1. Let's see. We have used margin 100, padding 60. So width 300 pixel is given. Here 100 pixel margin, 1 pixel border 101 plus 20 pixel padding, 60 pixel padding, 101 plus 60 161, and this way is also 161. 322 pixel is taken, and inside width is, let us see here what is written here. Let's width 320 pixel plus added 20 plus 20 plus added 10 plus 10 plus added 0 margin. So total 350 pixel width. Our width is 300 pixel, max width is 200 pixel. Let's define max width 500 pixel. So width 300, margin both side 100 and 100 for width 500 pixel, define 600. 300 200 500 padding 60 plus 60 620 and border 1 and 1 2 622 pixel total width. So here the max width will be 600 1 101 60 161, this way 161. So 322 plus width is defined 300. So 622 pixel is total width from the margin to the, from left margin to the right margin. So I hope you have understand this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.